I'm Wish from Squad, and today we are going to do a special unboxing for a special edition Sennheiser HD 598HD over-ear headphones. So, by the packaging it looks good, but let's find out what's inside the box. So let's start with the unboxing. So this is the box. On the front side, it has the headphones picture. On the right side, there is information about EAR, and on the back side, again there is some information in multiple languages. Then on the left side, it has got the content of the box. I don't think we need to read it because we are gonna do unboxing, so there is no point reading it out. And on the front side, it has written a special edition and 2 years warranty. So let's see what's so special about this by unboxing it. So there is this seal, and let's break it. Well, it's difficult to break. This is one 3.5 mm cable. I didn't think that I would get this cable, but it's good to have this cable in the box. Let's see what else we have got. So here you see the headphones. These are really looks good, bit huge. So it has one cable attached to it. These are actually a huge pair of headphones, and I believe we cannot walk wearing these headphones outside, but I think they are more for home use. So these cushions are really soft and comfortable. There is this Sennheiser logo written over the top of it. This is really soft. And there is the speaker. So it looks good. The build quality is really good, as you see here, and it comes with an attached cable with this huge jack. I think it goes into your amplifier or something, but it's detachable. This is how it removes itself out. Okay, so to use this cable, they also provided this adapter. With the help of it, you could plug this into your phone. So I think the special edition signifies the only special cable, which is really important if you're gonna use this phone with your computer and the phone. So let's keep this aside and let's see what is. So there is nothing else inside the box. As you see, no manuals, no nothing. I believe everything they wanted to show, it's up on there on the box itself. So okay, good use of the paper, and this will save a lot of trees. Very good, guys. So that's it. That's about the So this is it. This is about the unboxing. I hope you have liked it. Please post your comments if you have any doubts or questions. If you like the video, please hit on the button below which signifies the thumbs up, and please do subscribe to the channel so that I'll bring more gadgets to you. So stay tuned for this review of these headphones. I'm gonna use it for a while and give you the proper review. So thank you for watching. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.